Hi everybody, I thought I'd invite you with me to walk out there. At the end of the day, I was plowing and doing all kinds of work with my 9N tractor here. I got the camera mounted on my forehead. Make sure the birds got water in the heated bird bath. I gotta shut some gates. Come on with me. Why not, right? I know you like to see this stuff. And I'll show you how things look out here. Let's see, who called me? Who knows? Okay. It's cold. It's freezing. I got my work done out here now. I'm happy with that. Put the farm to sleep. Alright, so look at this. This is what all the work the 9N tractor did. There's nothing like the smell of fresh plowed soil. Alright, so this will all be rotting away over the winter and composted. That's what they want. Let's shut the gate. Snow was in the forecast, floating around. We'll get the snow sooner or later, so I like to have everything done before then. It's like that very humid, like a bite to the air type feeling, that dampness. And we'll go take a look over here. I was hoping some of the potatoes that I missed would plow up in here, but it didn't, so there's no potatoes. I don't know if I'll grow potatoes again. If I do, I won't grow them out here. I think there's something matter with the soil here. I'm not sure, but I think they say never grow potatoes in the same area every year, because it just don't. It's like it has it contaminates the soil somehow. Look at this, everybody! Isn't this beautiful? You gotta love a farm. I do. Everybody has their own thing they love. But look at this. Just look at this. I don't know if you can see the sky. Peaceful out here. It's just dusk and cold as can be out here. But it's all beautiful. Look at that. I don't see any potatoes in here. See this stuff? This is good compost. Goes back into the soil. The soil gives and the soil takes. That's what farms are all about. And that's it. My feet are even cold out here today. Driving the tractors all day. Just want to show you a brush pile. Every farm has a brush pile. This is my brush pile. And I don't chip it up. I just let it rot. And the animals enjoy taking a home, making a home in it. It rots and down, and then I put more brush in it, and it builds up again, and it rots down and builds up. So yeah, I got all my attachments way out here. It's in a good, safe place. Why does this keep tipping over? This is my brand new rototiller. Oh, not good. Okay, this is my brand new rototiller. And I want to keep it good. In good condition. I cannot have a farm without a rototiller. And this is what I have. It's a county line rototiller. And it's fantastic to have. Hey everybody, how about a little tour of my equipment lying out here? You saw that. So I have a disc, and this is a 3-point hitch. I gotta fix it. Broke today. My brand new county line rototiller, 5-foot rototiller, works best on my big New Holland tractor. Does a job. My Ferguson 1 bottom plow. Right here, I use it. I have a dirt scoop. The weeds are covering it, but yeah, I got this dirt scoop last year. Fantastic buy. The guy was almost giving it away. Couldn't pass it up. There's my potato plow, a V plow. I've got another V plow here. You can see in the weeds. I should come out here during more light. This is my hiller for the G tractor. Some of the snow plows. My international disc set here. It's in the weeds. This is it right here. Ferguson cultivator, excellent machine, excellent piece of machinery. I think there's something in here somewhere. And my seeder for the Jeep tractor, right underneath there. Some attachments. These are attachments here that go to the David Bradley walk behind tractor. Ferguson 2 bottom plow. A small York rake. Back there is another cultivator and a plow. Pulse hole digger. Another disc plow right here in the weeds. This is a what do you call that? Oh, I can't think of it. And a really nice York rake, and my backhoe. Here's a tour of what I got. And I got quite a few pieces of tractors. There's my blueberry stand. Worked great this year. Had a refrigerator in it. There's my Toro. What's that on there? Oh, my Toro Groundsmaster. It needs a little work. I'll get that going. I've just been so busy. My G tractor does work great. I'll be taking that out. Wow, it's so dark. I don't know if you can see all this. My other G tractor needs work. I'm gonna get it running. Just been so busy. So there you have it. Little tour. Alright, everybody, hope you like this video. I'm gonna head in. Like, share, and subscribe, everybody. Thanks for stopping by. Bye. Alright, so I'm gonna head in. Oh no, this fence is blowing down again. Oh my goodness. Let's see. Deer fence. Let's see. No, I guess I'll be alright. Always mending these fences here. There are the birds chirping, they're going to bed. Sitting in the pine trees. Birds love to hang out in the pine trees because they know it's safer for them. Listen to them. Hear those little chirpy sounds? All in the pine trees. Listen to them, they're all full of pine trees. Isn't that neat? I know you're in there. Okay. Here goes a big giant tractor, a harvester. I don't know if you can see it, but you're not the only one working out, getting things done before it snows. Alright everybody, so that was heading in. It's dark, time to go in. And my farm or garden, or whatever you want to call it. Okay.